Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Toyota Tacoma owners, the MIKKUPPA 24PC's M12X1.5 mag lug nuts. If you're looking to upgrade your Tacoma's wheels or just in need of reliable lug nuts, you're in the right place. So, what makes these lug nuts stand out? Let's break it down. These are specially designed for Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, and Lexus GX vehicles, fitting model years from 1995 to 2021. They feature a sturdy one-piece design, which is not only more secure but also enhances the aesthetic of your wheels. First off, they're made from high-quality cold-forged steel and heat-treated for maximum strength and durability. The chrome finish not only looks sleek but also protects against rust and corrosion, ensuring they hold up in various driving conditions. These lug nuts come with a 12x1.5 thread pitch and a 13x16 hex size, making them a direct replacement for your OEM lug nuts. Whether you drive a Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra, or even an FJ Cruiser, these will fit snugly and securely. Now, installing these is straightforward. Just ensure you torque them to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. The mag seat design ensures a precise fit, minimizing the risk of loosening over time. Performance-wise, these lug nuts have been rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM standards. They're designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving and even off-road adventures, providing peace of mind wherever you go. MIKKUPPA also backs these lug nuts with a solid warranty 30-day unconditional refund and a 1-year warranty. Plus, their customer service is responsive, ensuring you get assistance whenever you need it. So, there you have it, the MIKKUPPA M12X1.5 mag lug nuts. The top choice for Toyota Tacoma owners looking to upgrade their wheels with confidence. If you're ready to enhance both the look and safety of your vehicle, these lug nuts are definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to get your set today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.